Hello and welcome to Rich Rides. This week I'm going to do something a bit different. So I've got a couple of techniques that I want to try out, so I thought I'd report back on them both. The first one is how to clean up some old chrome work, and the second is how to sort of re-blacken plastics. So the hack I've heard for cleaning up chrome work is to use aluminium foil and even just water with that, but any sort of household clean, sort of Jif, that kind of stuff, helps apparently. But the main thing is to use your aluminium foil, you know, the Alcan sort of wrapping tin foil type stuff. That's what you use for actually rubbing the chrome work away. The second sort of how-to that I've read was about black plastics on cars or motorbikes, and this one, again, a bit of a strange one, is to use, rather than go out and buy something like Back to Black or all the ones you can buy, this is to use vegetable oil and a rag. So again, we'll see how we get on with that. So first of all, we'll try this sort of Back to Black sort of idea. So we've just got a rag and some bog standard sunflower oil. So as you can see, it actually works. It does make a big difference, and it doesn't feel sort of greasy or sticky to the touch. I think it'll be even better once it's sort of dried and rubbed down as well. Final thing, I just gave it a quick wash over with the soap, and I'm really impressed with the end results. As you can see, the exhaust looks like new again, wheels, the chrome's come up amazingly, the sort of tarnishing around here, absolutely everywhere. It's done a brilliant job, and the plastics, again, even after a wash, look black as anything. So yeah, deem that a success.